Hello everyone. Welcome to the video of tutorial on using insulin pen. Introduction. This is the case of the insulin pen. A new insulin pen set consists of insulin pen, needle, insulin sticker, user guide, and warranty card. The insulin pen consists of pen cap, cartridge holder, and the body of the pen. There are 11 steps of insulin injection. First, open pen case and pen cover. Turn the cartridge holder anti-clockwise until you hear a click sound to detach it from the body. Installation of cartridge. Take the cartridge out of the package by pushing against the aluminum foil. Avoid taking the cartridge from the tip as this is the part where a needle will be inserted. Check the expiry date of the insulin cartridge. Insert the cartridge into the cartridge holder. Attach the cartridge holder to the body of the insulin pen by turning the body clockwise until a click sound is heard. Mixing the insulin. Invert the insulin pen gently 10 times as shown in the video. Do not shake too hard. Then, roll the insulin pen between your palms horizontally 10 times. Needle installation. Get ready an insulin needle. The needle is available in many sizes and can be bought from any pharmacy store. Peel off the cover of the insulin needle. Attach the needle to the tip of insulin pen by turning it until it is tightly attached to the insulin pen. Remove the outer cap and put it aside. Remove the inner cap and discard this cap. Priming. Hold the insulin pen upright. Turn the knob until you get 2 units. Push the knob button until the number turns to 0. Observe the needle tip at the same time. Repeat this step until you see a stream of insulin shooting out from the tip. If you see only water droplets coming out from the tip, repeat until you see shooting insulin. Change the needle if you still can't get it. Priming needs to be done each time before injection. Administer insulin. Adjust the insulin unit according to the instruction given by the doctor. If you overdial, you can change the unit by turning it backward. If you have problems with your eyesight, you may seek help from family members or friends. Choose a spot that is at least 2 fingers away from the navel on your abdomen. Rotate the injection spot each time. You may use Insupen as guidance. Inject at a 90-degree angle. Do not inject obliquely. Do not turn, twist, or bend the needle after injection. Press the button until the number turns to 0. Count 10 seconds before removing the needle perpendicularly. Discard needle. Recap and remove the needle after each injection using the outer cap. Get a hard plastic container or bottle. 3. Discard the needle into the plastic container and cap it. Storage. Cap your insulin pen with its cap. Do not take the cartridge out of the cartridge holder once installed onto the pen. Keep the insulin pen in the case. Keep the insulin pen at room temperature and away from heat and light. Do not keep in the car. The new insulin cartridges have to be kept in fridge. Do not keep it at the door of the refrigerator and do not keep it at the freezer. Hypoglycemia and treatment. Low blood glucose level is one of the side effects of using insulin. The symptoms include feeling drowsy, starving, shivering, heart palpitations, having cold sweat, feeling weak or confused. If you experience any of the symptoms mentioned earlier after injecting insulin, remember to tell your doctor. What should you do when your blood glucose level is too low? You should take 3 candies or drink sweet drinks. For example, add 3 teaspoonsful of sugar into 1 glass of water or drink half a can of canned drinks. Examine your blood sugar level and symptoms after 15 minutes. If your blood sugar level is still below 4, repeat step 1. 3. See the doctor immediately if the blood sugar level is persistently below 4 or if you still have the symptoms. 4. If your blood sugar level is above 4, you may take 3 pieces of biscuits or 1 piece of white bread in order to prevent a recurrence. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.